Constant notifications, endless scrolling, social media overload. Sound familiar? The flip phone, yes, the classic clamshell, is quietly coming back. Today, the HMD 2660 Flip, built not for more screen time, but for less. Flip phones have always symbolized simplicity and practicality. In 2025, Gen Z and others are rediscovering retro tech. People are realizing convenience isn't everything. Pings and pressures are leading many to a digital detox. From busy professionals to parents and students, the flip revival is more than a trend. It's a cultural shift. Intentional communication, less noise, that appeal is spreading worldwide. Meet the HMD 2660 Flip, priced around $129, mixing nostalgia with modern essentials. A 2.8-inch main display and a 1.77-inch external screen for quick info. Large physical buttons and a clean, simple interface. A 0.3 MP camera with flash and built-in torch. Bluetooth 5.0 for headphones and USB-C charging. A 1450 mAh removable battery for long standby life. Dual SIM support and IP54 splash resistance. And yes, a built-in FM radio for offline listening. Available in cozy black, raspberry red, and twilight violet. Simple, stylish, functional. HMD calls the 2660 Flip a bold answer to always-on culture. Close the lid and silence the noise. Communication becomes intentional again. Perfect for stepping back from social pressure and mindless scrolling. For professionals, it means fewer distractions and more focus. It helps you choose when and how to connect. The 2660 Flip is built for accessibility. Large buttons, a clear display, loud audio for seniors, an emergency SOS button. Press and hold to call an ice contact instantly. For parents, a great first phone. Connected but without social apps or open web access. More than a gadget, a practical family solution. Would you switch back for a true digital detox, or is the smartphone here to stay? Let us know in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more tech insights.